There was a country called Coal Land which was near the North Pole. Everything you saw was covered with snow, and everyone had red noses, even animals. This was the most common sound. There was a man who lived there. He was called Mr. Sneeze.
I hate this sneezing.
So he went somewhere else. He walked and walked and walked and walked until he came somewhere nicer. Then he saw a wizard and told him everything.
Oh my, tell me the direction.
That way to the east.
He said some magic words and they instantly were back at Coldland.
No, not again.
He magicked the sun and it melted all the snow. Everyone was happy. Now Mr. Sneeze doesn't sneeze anymore. Hope you enjoyed. Bye-bye.